Hello friends, engineering properties of soil play a significant role in design and construction of any structure. Therefore, it is important to determine the various engineering properties of soil. Specific gravity of soil is one of the engineering properties of soil. It is useful to find out the degree of saturation and unit weight of moist soil. The unit weights are needed in pressure, settlement and stability problems in soil engineering. Specific gravity is the ratio of the weight of a given volume of soil solid in air at a standard temperature to the weight of an equal volume of distilled water in air at that temperature. Or the specific gravity is the ratio of unit weight of soil solid to that of water. Specific gravity G is equal to gamma S over gamma W. Specific gravity of the soil can be determined in the laboratory by using density bottle, flask and pycnometer. The density bottle method is most accurate and suitable for all types of soil. The flask and pycnometer method can be used for coarse grain soil. The density bottle method is the standard method used in the laboratory. In this program, we shall demonstrate the determination of specific gravity of soil by using the density bottle as per IS code 2720 part 3. The apparatus required for conduct of this test include
density bottle of 50 ml capacity with a stopper, constant temperature water bath for maintaining temperature at 27 degrees Celsius, desiccator containing anhydrous silica gel, thermostatically controlled oven capable of maintaining a temperature of 105 to 110 degrees Celsius, balance readable and accurate to 0.01 gram, plastic wash bottle containing distilled water and prepared soil sample.
Let us now perform the experiment.
First of all, take a clean density bottle with a stopper. Now dry it at 105 to 110 degrees Celsius. Cool it in the desiccator. Now weigh it to the nearest 0.01 gram. This weight is W1, which is 16.94 gram. Record this value in the performer. Take soil sample of about 10 to 20 gram from the prepared sample. Now dry it at 105 to 110 degrees Celsius. Cool it in the desiccator. and transfer it carefully to the density bottle. Find the weight of the density bottle and soil sample with the stopper. This weight is W2, which is 31.60 gram. Again record this value. Add some distilled water so that the soil is fully soaked. Leave it for a period of about 2 to 10 hours depending upon the type of soil. Add more distilled water so that the bottle is about half full. Remove the entrapped air. Now, fill the bottle completely with water . Put the stopper in position. Place the bottle in the constant temperature water bath. Keep it there for about 1 hour so that the temperature of soil and water in the bottle also reaches 27 degrees Celsius. Take out the bottle and wipe it clean and dry from outside. Fill the capillary of the stopper with drops of distilled water in case it is not full. Determine the weight of the density bottle with distilled water. This weight is W3, which is 84.67 gram. Record this value in the performer. Empty the density bottle and clean it thoroughly. Fill it with distilled water. Put on the stopper and wipe the bottle dry from outside. find the weight. This weight is W4, which is 75.62 gram. Record this value in the performer.
We shall now calculate the specific gravity of soil by using the different weights recorded up till now. From W1 and W2, dry weight of the soil WD is equal to W2 minus W1. From weight W2 and W3, weight of water is equal to W3 minus W2. From weight W1 and W4, weight of water is equal to W4 minus W1. Hence, the weight of water having the same volume as that of soil solid is W4 minus W1 minus W3 minus W2. Specific gravity G is equal to dry weight of soil divided by weight of water of equal volume, which is equal to W2 minus W1 divided by W4 minus W1 minus W3 minus W2. On further solving, G is equal to WD divided by WD minus W3 minus W4.
Repeat the procedure for 2 more determinations and record the different value of weights from W1 to W4.
By putting different weights in this formula, the specific gravity for first case is 2.61. For second case, it is 2.58, and for third case, it is 2.59. Average specific gravity at standard temperature 27 degrees centigrade is 2.59. Thus, the specific gravity of this soil is 2.59.